In the first question, 3 molar NaCl solution density they mentioned as 1.25 gram per ml and asking us to calculate the molality. We have the shortcut formula between molarity and density. Here is the formula. Direct substitution, you will get the answer as 2.79. Second question is about carbocation stability. Here the benzyl carbocation is stabilized by more plus MF group, that is OH, which is at para position. In the next question they are asking us to calculate number of 4d electrons, especially in ruthenium and niobium, which have the exceptional electronic configuration, which we need to remember as 5s1 4d7 for ruthenium and niobium 5s1 4d4. So the total number of d electrons are 11. From thermodynamics they have given the basic question about intensive and extensive properties. So identify extensive intensive properties they have given. Here the answer is C, where the mass, volume and internal energy are extensive properties, depends on quantity. In the coordination compounds we come across this topic. For the determination of nickel we use DMG, where we can see only 2 coordinate covalent bonds between nickel and the dimethyl glyoxide. Let us see the next question. Based on concentrations, 2 different concentrated NaOH solutions they have mixed up and they are asking us to calculate the resultant molarity. It's a direct formula. Molarity M1V1 plus M2V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Next one, basic question. They are asking for secondary hydrogens. The hydrogens that are attached to secondary carbon, nothing but secondary hydrogens. So for the options we need to write the structures. If we look at the 3-ethyl 2,2-dimethyl pentane, it has 2 secondary hydrogens. So the option is C. Again a basic question. So which of the following anion will not undergo disproportionation reaction? Disproportionation means the one which can undergo both oxidation and reduction. Here if we look at the oxidation states, ClO4 minus perchlorate ion, the oxidation state of chlorine is +7, which is maximum for chlorine. So it cannot undergo further oxidation. That means it cannot undergo disproportionation reaction. Generally the atom with the intermediate oxidation state will undergo disproportionation reaction. Next question, based on a named reaction. For a sequence of reactions they are asking about the product. This is an Idod reaction. When we are looking at the CrO to Cl2 we will come to know toluene converts into benzaldehyde and the benzaldehyde forms additional product with the NaHSO3. Next question from coordination compounds. According to crystal field stabilization energy we need to arrange the given complexes. We know CFSC directly proportional to ligand strength and it is also directly proportional to the charge on the center metal ion, right? When we look at the ligands, ethylene diamine is a stronger ligand when compared with ammonia, and cobalt plus 3 is having more charge when compared to cobalt plus 2. So based on these 2 parameters the answer is 4 greater than 2 greater than 3 greater than 1. Next question, compare the dipole moment of NF3, CHCl3, H2S and HBr. Here based on the electronegativity differences and the direction of orbital dipole moment and bond dipole moment, we can determine the order as chloroform CHCl3 greater than H2S greater than HBr greater than NF3. In NF3 the dipole moment is in opposite direction. For nitrogen the orbital dipole moment and bond dipole moment. Next one, statement type question. Lessine test is used for the detection of nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur and halogens. Statement 2, lessine extract is made with the magnesium metal. Here the statement 1 is correct, but lessine extract is made with the sodium metal but not with magnesium metal. So answer is C. In the next question, the secondary butyl cyclohexane when reacts with bromine in presence of sunlight, there what is the product? Here the question appears to be difficult, but it is so easy. If you know that the tertiary hydrogen is more reactive, it can be replaced quickly in presence of sunlight by the halogens, we can expect the product very easily. Next one, based on relative configuration, correct structure of L-glyceraldehyde. Capital L, if CH2OH is at the bottom, if OH is on the left hand side, then it is said to be capital L glyceraldehyde. Here they have given the inverted configurations where CHO is at the bottom. So be careful while answering this type of questions. Among the group 15 elements, what is the maximum covalency of an element having weakest TE bond? So it's a competency based question. First we need to understand the question properly. Here they are asking for the weakest TE bond where antimony can exhibit weakest TE bond and its maximum covalency is 5, whereas for bismuth it is 3. Next one is based on the KSP, solubility product. Generally we can expect a bit from solubility product, very important topic in mains. They are asking for the relation between KSP and S for ZR3PO4 4 times, zirconium phosphate. Here is the answer. Next one is from thermodynamics. Matching question they have given. Cp, Cv, entropy and volume they have given. So heat exchange at constant pressure is, we know it is delta H and constant volume is delta U. Based on the known things, you can match this question and here is the answer. Next question, statements type question. During the corrosion, pure metal acts as anode, impure metal acts as cathode is the statement 1. Statement 2, rate of corrosion is more in alkaline medium than in basic medium. In fact, both the statements are not correct because impure metal acts as anode, whereas the rate of corrosion increases is more in fact in acidic medium. Next question from organic chemistry, where Grignard's reagent is involved. RBr plus Mg followed by hydrolysis gives isopentane. How many RBRs can give isopentane? How many RBRs in the sense means how many alkyl bromides can give isopentane. So we can do back calculation. Take isopentane and there are 4 sets of hydrogens. If those hydrogens are replaced by the bromine, again reacting with magnesium and followed by hydrolysis gives isopentane, right? So the answer is 4. So next question, C6H6 on monobromination single products it is giving and with 4 moles of H2 completely hydrogenated. With 4 moles of H2 completely hydrogenated means definitely there must be 4 pi bonds. So 4 2s are pi electrons are there. That is what the question is. In C6H6 find the number of pi electrons. So 4 pi bonds, 4 2s are 8, 8 pi electrons are there. Next question from atomic structure. If you know the formula, it's easy. Calculate the radius of first excited state of He plus. Answer is 1. The formula is R is equal to A naught into N square by Z. First excited state means N is equal to 2. Here is the answer.